Really bend down. Super slow. That's it. Hey, today we're gonna learn how to go down a stair. And then we're gonna try our 4 stair set here at Sunnyvale. You ready? Yes, you are.
That's not happening.
Yes, you are. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down just this single step. It's just a small step. It's probably about 6 inches tall. So, all right, look. What are you doing?
I'm not trying to.
Come on. All right, so you're gonna have to push off and then stand in riding position. And I want you to bend your knees. Let me see your hand. Bend your knees and then lean your head and body back over the back wheels. Good. Lean your head and body back over the back wheels and bend that back knee. Okay. So jump off your board. Stand right here and look like you're about to slide across ice. Like put your front foot forward and you're gonna kind of lean back. Yes, exactly like that. Yep. That's what it's gonna look like. That's how your body position should be when you drop off the stair. So go ahead. Front foot goes up. Do you want a hand first? You're gonna try it?
Hand.
All right, fine. Here, front foot goes up. Front foot goes up. Good. Ah, almost. So you must brace yourself with your front leg. So make that front leg straight and strong to kind of push into the board. So that, because once the front wheels drop off the curb, your skateboard's gonna wanna stop. So you gotta push it along to keep that momentum going, and then your body will catch back up. And then right when your back wheels drop off, then you recenter your head again. Remember, take a nice deep breath, give it a push, stand in riding position with your front foot just behind the front bolts. Let me see riding position real quick. Front foot just behind the front bolts. Good. Back foot on the tail, and heels and toes matching. So heels and toes are in a line. Wow, you look so excited right now. Thanks.
Yeah, I could have used this knee to straighten out, but like, you know, I fell.
All right, look, give it a push. Give it a push. Set your feet. Go ahead.
Stand there.
All right, fine. All right, look, give it a push. One.
Too far away.
No, it's
You're
good.
too far away.
Okay, fine, here. All right, gentle push. Stay back. Okay, good. That was it. Perfect. Now I want you to show how to bail off, and in order to do that, you let the head go over the front foot. Right when the front wheels drop off, you let the head continue moving. Lean over your front foot, spin your chest forward, and take your back foot off and run off of your board.
I can't knee slide.
You don't have to knee slide.
Okay.
You're just stepping off. Remember, lean forward. Good, perfect. Take a nice deep breath. Nice deep breath. Go slow. Perfect. That's it. That's it. Hey, easy. Ow. Go really slow. Let the front drop over like you've never skated in your life. Like really just go super slow. I'll be here. And look, you can't mess up because you just bail off, just lean forward.
I'm gonna knee slide.
No, you don't knee slide. You won't need a knee slide. You're going slower than walking. Yes, exactly.
No.
Look, see? So keep the head back. Notice how the head started to go forward? That's what I'm talking about. That's the point of this. Try it again. Try to keep the head back. So really bend those legs, bend those knees, keep your front leg straight and lean back. Remember, look at this lean. Let me see, do this. Yes, exactly. Very cool. Yep. That's it.
Yep.
All right, hey, take a deep breath, go slow. Go slow. That's it, really stay back. Ah, but good bail, see? But hey, now you gotta brace yourself. So brace that front leg stronger now so that you don't stop.
I can't.
This is the learning curve here. Come on, you could do this.
No.
Good. Good. Grandma said it was good too. See? Grandma approves. Go. Slow. Okay, try to bend down lower. Brace yourself.
More?
How about you film me do it?
No.
It's a super slow push and I bend down, let the front drop down, then I bend down and sink down into my landing. Okay? Can you copy that? Super slow, please. Super slow. Really bend those knees.
You gotta stand there then.
Okay, here.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, no, you're not gonna die.
You're not.
Well, you are gonna die, just not today. Go. Super slow. Really leaning back. Oh! almost straight to the face because you didn't bend down like I told you to. Come on.
I did.
Look, super slow. Really bend your knees and brace that front leg. Front leg straight. Really bend down.
I can't straighten my front
Lean
leg.
back. You don't have to. It's in the front anyway. Almost, but you still got to stay back. Look, because right when you drop off that step, you start to tilt forward. So you got to brace yourself. Brace yourself. Really grow roots into that skateboard by bending down and using low center of gravity. Nice and slow and gentle. Really keep that front leg straight. Come on. Come on. Give you backhand. 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 Go slow. Slower than this.
What?
Yeah, let it drop down. Stay back. Look, stay back.
Now
look, if I push you a little bit, stay back and then center. That's it. That's it. So look, the whole secret of this is keeping that front leg strong and straight to push that board down the stairs. Okay? If it's one stair or many stairs, you gotta stay really tucked down and you use that back leg as your shock. Your back leg is your shock that bounces and moves. Really bend down. Super slow. That's it. Thank you.
We're done?
No, now we gotta do it down the stairs. Ready?
No.
Set.
No.
Set.
No.
Go. Staying back. Perfect. Perfect. Ow!
Wait, now the stairs.
Yeah, now we can do the stairs. Come on, look. Look, it's nice and open for us. Here we are at the 4-stair, Sunnyvale. The famous 4-stair. I want you to start about 10 to 15 feet away from your stairs. Okay? These stairs are probably about, they look 1.5 feet long, and they're about 5 inches high, 6 inches high maybe. Anything bigger than that might be kind of a struggle to push your board down the stairs.
Struggle bus.
All right, look, give it a gentle push. Give me your backhand, and we're gonna go slow so that you can feel your body drop down each step, and you're gonna keep the head back over that back foot. Okay, really bend down. Really bend down nice and low. Stay back, head back. Good, 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 good. You had it. Remember, nice and slow. Stay back, head back. Good, good. Oh, almost. Go slower. That's it. Very slow. Perfect. Let the front drop over. Good. Stay back. Bend the knees. Oh, you almost had it, but you got to brace that front leg. Brace that front leg because your board wants to stop down each step. So you got to brace that front leg to give it that little push to get it to go again.
Because then I'm going to go backwards and I'm going to fall and I'm going to die.
Nah, you're doing fine. You haven't even fall. You didn't even fall today.
Yeah, I have.
No, you didn't. I'm proud of you. You're doing great. Slow push. Very slow. Good. Really bend down nice and low. Brace that front leg. Perfect.
Did it.
Hey, hey, good job. Ow. So,
I'm having such a good time.
hey, how'd it feel?
It was so easy. Like, I can't believe I did it. To be honest with you, like, this was so easy, and I bet you could do it too.
Gentle push. Super slow push. Good. Staying back. Awesome. So even though you messed up at the bottom, you just lean your head forward. You feel momentum pull you off your board. You can either decide to try to brace it and try to push through it, or let your head go forward, spin your chest forward, spin your shoulders forward, chest forward, and then lean forward and take your back foot off and run it out. This one's the one. I'm gonna be right next to you. I want you to try it by yourself and brace yourself. I'll be here if you need me. Look, go super slow. Take a nice deep breath. Give it a tiny little slow push. I'm right here. Come on.
This is not gonna work out.
Come on, slow, slow, slow. Ah, you're pulling on me.
See, do it. Do
Wow.
it. Do a video with him.
But he already knows how to do it. See, that's not as fun. People want to see the struggle. Remember, super slow push. Really bend your back knee, stay low. Remember, if you're regular, if your left foot's in the front, you bend your right knee and lean over your right knee. Stay nice and low and loose knees so that they can bounce up and down like shocks as you go down the stairs. For goofy, keep your right foot forward, right leg strong and straight, back knee nice and loose to absorb the stairs as you ride down. All right, go ahead, give it a push. We got people behind you. Go ahead, go. Good. Go super slow and bend down. Bending down. Head back, head back. Perfect. Stay low. Ah, you had it. Look at that. Hey, fantastic, fantastic. Okay, good. Try it again. I'm proud of you. That was good. Way to be brave. Slow. Really bend that back leg. Oh, you almost had it. You see? You almost had it. You're making it to the last step. But look, you're gonna have to keep that front leg strong because our last step has been obliterated from flip tricks and people smashing their trucks on the concrete. So it's a little rough landing. So you gotta have to push through that. Keep that front leg strong and straight to push your board through it. Almost, look at that. Keep bending down to stay together with your board. Because remember, as you ride down the stairs, your board is dropping away from your body. So keep sinking your body down with the board. Remember, gentle, slow push, lock those feet into riding position, front foot just behind the bolts, back foot on the tail, and really make that front leg strong as you lean your head back over your back truck. Slow push, slow push. This is the one right here. That's it, that's it. Hey, yes. Hey, you did awesome today. And thank you so much for letting me film this. Yeah. Seriously.
You should be grateful.
I'm very grateful.
I'm the star here.
You are the star, yes. Very good. Thank you, everybody. Did it.